Working in close proximity to pressure vessels and boilers is like working next to a bomb. The explosive force from extreme levels of pressure can be devastating, which is why every pressure vessel and boiler must be registered and have a current inspection. Otherwise, you're risking. Accidents happen when someone makes a decision to take a shortcut, not follow protocol, or not take the responsibility seriously enough.
Federal safety officials are investigating a deadly boiler explosion aboard a cruise ship in Miami. The SS Norway had just docked yesterday when the blast sent black smoke shooting from one of its funnels. 4 workers on the ship were killed and more than a dozen injured.
Owners and managers are right in the firing line if negligence is proven. So, the decision has to be made to be registered, trained and compliant to ensure this never happens. We are AWS, providing in-service inspection, registration and training, as used by industry leaders in industrial safety and compliance. If it's time for you to decide who to use, for in-service safety or to gain your own inspection skills, decide safety, decide AWS.